Look at that. The depression is getting worse. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today I am doing kind of something crazy with my hair, but it's dark and gloomy out. It started snowing yesterday, so I could feel like the seasonal depression starting to kick in. So I'm gonna play in some color today, and I just want to see how it turns out, just to brighten up my mood a little bit. So today I'm going to be using the Curlsmith's hair makeup. So this is what I'll be using today, and I'm going to put this in my hair, and the directions say apply on damp detangled hair, divide the hair into sections, rake a generous amount through each section, then scrunch to help your curl spring back. But I don't want to I don't really want to curl my like define my curl pattern. I'm going to try it on flexi rods. Now this could end terribly, or this could be the cutest hairstyle that I ever did on myself. So we will see, because I've watched a few different videos, and on those videos they were going through the section and then twisting it or braiding it up for it to dry first. But I'm going to put the product on. It says apricot, orange peel, pumpkin, and carrot. So I don't know, we just gonna do it, and I want you guys to do it with me. So hopefully it works. I got it from Amazon. I think it was like $12. So we'll see. We will see. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cozy. Container says to apply on damp detangled hair. I am going to try to put the perm rods in there. So I did stretch my hair a little bit, so I'm just going to spray it lightly with some water, or matter of fact, I'm not even going to spray it with no water. I'm going to use some mousse because I already put leave-in in here. So I'm going to spray it with some mousse, and then I'm going to put the product on there. So let's see.
Can't even drink Cristal on this one. I got my Gotcha 97 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. Can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy.
Alright, I'm nervous. We're doing it.
Jason.
What's your name?
I see some ladies tonight, the shit be rolling with Jason. Jason. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night some. Now she don't like him. She never met him. Groupies try to take advantage of him. He won't let him. He don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me. She don't agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon. The friends tagging along. The flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two-ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the matrix. But fuck it, let the fish burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on. You gotta throw in your fine minutes for this one.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got that bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Diamonds for eating a lane. Off the brain. No one insane. Pick up a chick on the chain. Pick up a chick in the plane. Crazy can make you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi got
hours later.
So clearly I'm back, and I sat underneath the dryer for like 20 minutes, and then I've really just been walking around my house, so it's been like 2 hours, because I really want to make sure that it's dry, because I'm so scared that I'm gonna take them down and they still gonna be wet, but I don't think they are. They feel pretty dry, so I'm getting ready to take them down and run my fingers through it and see how they turn out. I'm kind of scared down there. Ooh. I don't know what it's giving.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the